I know exactly what's draining your energy, and it's not the work itself. It's the constant mental noise that never shuts off, the bill that's due, the credit card balance that keeps creeping up, that feeling that no matter how hard you try to get organized, something unexpected always shows up. Financial stress isn't just about numbers. It's quiet tension. It's doing mental math in the shower. It's opening your banking app with your heart racing. It's acting calm on the outside while inside you're trying to make numbers work that just don't. I won't take much of your time. I'll keep this short and direct. But if you stay until the end, I promise you'll walk away feeling lighter. Money hits deeper than your wallet. It touches dignity, security, identity. When finances get tight, a lot of people start to feel smaller, behind, not capable enough. But financial difficulty doesn't define who you are. It defines a season, a circumstance, not your ability, not your worth, not your future. Maybe you've been asking yourself where you went wrong. Maybe you're carrying guilt over past decisions. Or maybe you're just exhausted from trying to keep everything afloat. Here's the truth. Constant pressure reduces clarity. When your brain switches into threat mode, it thinks short term, it reacts. It rushes decisions. That's why before you think about strategy, you have to regulate your emotions. You can't build financial stability with your nervous system stuck on high alert. Take a breath. You don't have to fix your entire financial life today. You don't need a miracle solution right now. You just need to move from panic into structure. Panic makes you sprint. Thus, structure helps you walk, and walking, even slowly, is still forward progress. There are seasons where earning more isn't the first step. The first step is clarity, knowing exactly what's coming in, what's going out, and where the invisible leaks are hiding. Clarity stings at first, but it frees you later. Avoiding it only extends the wait. If your finances are messy right now, that doesn't mean you failed. It means something needs adjustment. Adjustments are part of adulthood, and adjustments don't happen through shame. They happen through awareness. And awareness starts with a simple question. What is actually within my control right now? You may not control the economy, you may not control what already happened, but you do control your next move. Financial stability isn't built on one massive leap. It's built on small decisions, repeated consistently. Maybe it's negotiating a debt instead of ignoring it. Maybe it's cutting a subscription that became automatic. Maybe it's admitting you need to learn something new. There is no rebuilding without strategic humility, and humility isn't weakness. It's intelligence. One important thing, stop turning your current season into a permanent identity. Debt is not your identity. Low income is not your identity. A tough season is not your identity. They are temporary situations asking for conscious adjustment, and conscious adjustment requires calm. You don't have to prove anything to anyone while you reorganize your life. You don't have to pretend everything's fine. You just need to take control of what you can adjust today. Small wins restore confidence. Small cuts create breathing room. Small, repeated, right decisions build freedom. And before you think you need to follow everything I post, let me say this clearly. You don't have to subscribe or follow if you don't want to. I don't want to be another notification taking up space in your day. But if you ever need to organize your mind before you organize your life, this space will still be here. Right now, it's not about fixing everything. It's about stepping out of emotional chaos and into intentional rebuilding. And rebuilding begins the moment you decide this season does not define your story.